We want people to be able to go and do what they want, where they want, with less concern for the chair and more about where they want to go. Magic Mobility is trying to make a product that goes a little bit further and does a little bit more than what the other wheelchairs in its class do.
The hopes and dreams are that everyone who needs a wheelchair knows that Magic Mobility is a choice. We really consider people's lives. We want them to go as many places as possible. One person in particular said to me, I don't want to be independent, I want to be interdependent as part of society, and I want people to need me just as much as I need them. There's innovation around solutions that can help them do more in their wheelchairs. The guys in the factory, when they see the end users come through the front door as well, they realise that they're not just creating an anonymous product for an anonymous person.
Having everything close at hand, under the one roof, with a dedicated team, makes a difference. Our engineers can speak to our assemblers, and our assemblers speak to the people fitting the chair. The people in the chairs can speak to any of those people down the chain if they really want. And our philosophy always has been to stay close to the customer. They don't want to feel limited by their choice of chair. It is rewarding to be able to take, whether it's a piece of metal or a piece of plastic, and to turn that into something that can expand someone's world.
It's very important for us, the users. They understand our needs and where we go, and the reliability of our chairs, that they're not just a wheelchair, they're our legs. I can rely on Magic Mobility to get the parts straight away. It's all about getting the person up and going straight away without being stranded.
Our end users really appreciate us being here in Australia for them, so that they've got access to spare parts and that they know the factory's here. So it's really nice for us to have the official accreditation that says we have been verified and certified as being Australian made. It just gives them that confidence and that comfort that we're here and that we're here to look after them.
Australia's reputation as a manufacturer is great, and so people are very proud, no matter where they're from, to say their chair was made in Australia. We have a very demanding environment, and a chair that's designed here and built here works everywhere. Keeping things Australian made keeps them close to where they're designed, keeps them close to our customers. When you are reliant on a wheelchair, and it's a big part of your daily life, the chair becomes part of a person's lifestyle. And if what they can do is expanded by having one of our chairs, and we've met our goal.